Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. For the preparation of SAT, GRE and Math, let's continue our journey. By the way, we have forgotten the correct serial. We can manage in next video. Our first question reads as, Tom purchased a hat and a coat for a total of $125. The coat cost $25 more than the hat. What is the cost of the coat? What is the cost of the coat? Tom purchased a hat and a coat for a total of $125. For $125. However, the coat cost $25 more than the hat. Coat cost $25 more than the hat. What is the cost of the coat? What is the cost of the coat? Tom bought how many things? Hat and a coat. Hat. Question number one. Hat plus coat. Both cost $125. Our first condition. Tom purchased a hat and a coat for a total of $125. Hat plus coat is equal to $125. Hat plus coat is equal to $125. Second condition is that coat cost $25 more than hat. Cost of a coat is $25 more than hat. Cost of a coat is $25 more than hat. Cost of a coat is $25 more than hat. Now these two are wonderful linear equations, and solve them, and they are going to work wonder. Taking hat here, it will become a negative hat plus coat is equal to $25. That's our condition number second, and the first one is hat plus coat is equal to $125. Condition number one. If we simply add them up, negative hat, positive hat cancel, coat plus coat, 2 times coat is equal to 25 plus 125, that's 150. That's 150. Dividing by 2 on both sides to get the value of coat, we have dividing by 2, cancel out, we have coat is equal to $75. Coat cost $75. Cost cost $75. Taking one step further, finding the value of hat as well as verifying will give us more confidence. Our coat is 75. Plug in any one equation here. Hat plus coat, cost of coat is 75 is equal to 125. Shift 75 here, we have hat is equal to 125 minus 75. That's our $50. $50 here. Hat cost $50 while coat cost 75. Coat cost 75. Look at them. If we add them up, hat plus coat, 50 plus 75 is equal to 125. Cost of hat and coat is 125. If we compare the cost of a coat, is 25 more than hat. Cost of a coat is $25 more than hat. Cost of a coat is $25 more than a hat. Our price of a hat is $25 less than coat. Our price of a hat is $25 less than a coat. That's a way of verifying. If you verify, if you open the question up, give it a proper surgery, then you are going to learn something more. It gives you some extra confidence. Moving towards next question, we have, towards question number 2, we have a simple algebraic manipulation type question. If we have x square minus y square is equal to 8 and x square plus y square is equal to 4, what is the value of x4 minus y4? Question number 2, we have x square minus y square is equal to 8 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. And we are asked to find the value of x4 minus y4. X raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. We are interested in the value of this one. For this, we have two possibilities. The simple possibility for a beginner, for elementary learner, for a person having little background in mathematics, is definitely going to solve this in that fashion. X square minus y square is equal to 8. X square plus y square is equal to 4. Add them up. We have 2x square is equal to 12. Or x square is equal to 12 over 2. Here we have x square is equal to 6. X square is equal to 6. Plugging in the value of x square in any equation, we have x square minus y square is equal to 8. Value of x square is 6 minus y square is equal to 8. Shift 8 here, we have minus y square is equal to 8 minus 6. We have minus y square is equal to 2. Or y square is equal to minus 2. Y square is equal to minus 2. Y square minus 2. We are asked to find the value of x4 minus y4. x4 minus y4. We can write x4 as x square whole square minus y square whole square. What is the value of x square? That's 6. 6 square minus, what is the value of y square? That's minus 2. Minus 2 square. 6 square means 36. Square of negative 2. Square of negative 2 is only positive 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 positive. 36 minus 4, that is our 32. That's our 32 is the answer in that case. That is a tedious way. One can solve both having power 2. We can arrange them like simultaneous equation, however they have power 2. But if you have little bit background in algebra, then it is going to take no time for you to crack this nut. How? Let's see and find out. X4 minus y4. If we factorize this expression as x square whole square, x4 can be written as x square minus whole square. Similarly, y4 can be written as y square whole square. Apply technique of difference of two square. One bracket having positive, other having negative, and removing this square. Now we have value of x square plus y square, that's 4, and value of x square minus y square, that's 8. 4 times that, that's our 32. That's our 32 in the blink of an eye. With the blink of an eye, without wasting time. Whatever you want, whatever you path you want to take, just take. You should have a background confidence to correct this. Not factorize this one. Immediately you can recognize x square minus y square, x square plus y square. These are the factors of this one, x4 minus y4. Then the rest is really very easy. Otherwise, write both these two equations together, solve for x square, x square, y square, and you correct this. Moving towards next question, we have moving towards question number 3. Question number 3 reads as, if x represents an even integer, x is even integer. Even integer means divisible by 2. Everybody is familiar. If x represents an even integer, then an odd integer is represented by which of the following? Then, if x is even, amongst all these 5 options, we have to hunt down which one is odd, which one is odd, which one is odd. Taking A option, that is 3x. That is 3x. 3, our x is even. Our x is even. Our x is even. Simply, 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Odd times even. Odd times even results in even. Results in even. So, this is even. 3x is even. It's not an odd. It's not an odd. It's not the right option. It's not the right option. Odd times even, it's even. Simple fact. I am skipping B, moving towards C. Our C option is 3x plus 2. Plugging in the nature of x, that's even. 3 times x is even plus 2. 3 is odd. Odd times even. And 2 is even plus even. Odd times even. Odd times even, odd times even, odd times even, or even times odd results in even. Odd times even or even times odd results in even plus even. Addition or subtraction of even always results in even. So it is also even. It's also even. So This is also even. This is also even. This is also even. Moving towards option number D, 4x minus 2. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in that case. We have D. Our D is 4x minus 2. 4 or x is even, it's given to us, minus 2. However, 4 is even times even, and 2 is also even. Even times even, result is even. And if we subtract even from even, the sum and difference of even always results in even. It's also even. It's also even. So this option D is also even. This is also even. What about E? What about E? E is 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4. Plugging in the nature of x, that's even. 5 times even minus 4. 5 times even minus 4. 5 is odd. Odd times even. 4 is also even. Odd times even is always even. Odd times even is always even. Odd times even is always even. Even times odd is always even. It's even. Even minus even, the result is even. Even minus even, the result is even. Even minus even, the result is even. I have deliberately skipped the option number B. That's our right option. How it represents an odd number? Let's see and find out. Let's see and find out. Let's see and find out. We have option B. That is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Plugging in the nature of x, 2 times x means even plus 1. However, 2 is even. Even times even plus 1 is odd. 1 is odd. Even times even, it's even. Even times even is even plus odd. And the sum of even and odd always results in odd. Sum of even plus odd always results in odd. Always results in odd. So our option number B is the right option. It 2x plus 1 represents an odd number. An odd number when x is even. When x is even. When x is even. When x is even. Moving towards next question, we have Moving to our next question, we have moving towards question number next, that is 4. Which of the following number is between 2.5 and 5.8? Between 2.5 and 5.8. We are asked to find out which number is between 2 over 5 and 5 over 8. Between means the arithmetic mean of A and B. 2 over 5 plus 5 over 8. That's our 2 over 5. Find number that is between 2.5 and 5.8. Between 2.5 and 5.8. Means simply just find out the mean of this 2.5 and 5.8. Mean, arithmetic mean, A plus B over 2. A plus B over 2. Simplifying the situation, we have 8 times 5 is our LCM. 2 is the 16. 5 times 5, that's 25. 1 over 2. 16 plus 25, that's our 41. 8 5 the 40. 2 times 40, it's 80. It's 80. It's 80. Don't go here and there. Simply, it is almost our 40 over 80. Means our answer is near about 0.5 something. 0.5 something. 0.5 something. Without any calculation, you will arrive at the right result. You are arrived at the right. That's our 0.5. That's our 0.6, 0.65, 0.72, 0.28. That's diminish 1, add 1 or subtract R2. This makes no difference in quantitative mathematics. In quantitative mathematics, you have to save time. You don't have to use so much, consuming so much time to correct this. That's 41, that's our 81. Almost half double. Almost half double means it is 1/2 situation. It is 1/2 situation means 0.5 something, 0.5 something. If you get a glimpse of the options, easily you can arrive at the right result. Moving to our next question, we have, moving toward question number 5. It reads as, if the ratio of boys to girls in a drama class is 3:2, then which of the following is a possible number of students in the drama class? Ratio of boys to girls. Ratio of, question number 5. Ratio of boys to girls. Boys to girls. That is 3:2. Boys to girls. Ratio is 3:2. Which could be the total number of, which could be the total? What could be the total? Which could be the total? Which could be the total? In such type of ratio questions, sum of ratios must divide total. Must divide total. That is the key fact in that case. We have given no information except ratio of boys to girls is 3:2. The ratio of boys to girls is 3:2. We are asked which could be the total. Which could be the total? That is the key fact. Sum of the ratios must divide total. 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 Sum of ratio is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, total must be a multiple of 5. Total must be a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5, or total must be divisible by 5. Or total must be divisible by 5. Look at this. 16. 16 is not divisible by 5. What about 18? 18 is also not divisible by 5. What about 24? 24 is not divisible by 5. Similarly, 28 is not divisible by 5. However, 20 is 20. C is 20. So, in that situation, the total number of boys and girls could be 20. Could be 20. Could be 20. Why? Because 20 is a multiple of 5. 20 is a multiple of 5. 20 is a multiple of 5. What is the nature of 5? Sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios. In that case, sum of ratios must divide the total. Sum of ratios must divide the total. Sum of ratios must divide the total. That is the key fact in that question. See you in next frame.